we've got our smoothing brush now, Mason and Pearson. I'm just going to start to brush the hair into shape. Trying to achieve a sort of more classic beehive shape that I'm sure we all know and remember, or have seen in films or a lot of fashion shoots. And just going to put some grips in at the back here just to start to secure the back. So we're going to put one grip up and then just crisscross them over. We cross the grips over just to give them more hold so they don't start slipping out, because there's quite a lot of pressure in the hair now because of all the back combs. So. Super. That's my hairspray. Thanks. A little bit of hairspray just to hold the hair and just smooth down any bits of stray fine hair that are just falling out a little bit.